In this particular video of MS Word course, I'm gonna teach you how to use change case option in MS Word. Well, change case option is pretty important in MS Word or everywhere, and I'm gonna teach you few things and what are the important things you should know about change case in MS Word. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my MS Word software. This is the dummy content in front of me. Now, in order to apply the change case options, you have to go to Home tab, and obviously in Home tab, you have to come in Font options. And font options, this is the change case option over here, right? You just have to click on this drop down menu, and we have these 5 options basically, right? So let's start with one by one. So the first one is sentence case. Sentence case is basically the first letter of your sentence will be capital and the rest will be small. Like if I select this text and apply the sentence case, well, already applied the sentence case because the first letter of these sentences are capital and rest are small. That's why. But if I write something here in all capital, like my name is XYZ, right? This is the sentence I have written. Now if I want to apply the change case, just you have to go here. First you have to select the text and then go to the change case option and apply whichever the option you want. As you can see here, now it has applied the sentence case option. The first one, the first letter of your sentence is capital and then rest is small, right? Now we do have this lowercase option. Lowercase is basically if you want to change your text into all lower cases. First you have to select the text basically which you want to change, then you have to apply the changes, right? As you can see here, everything is in lowercase now. Now let's say you want to change the font into in uppercase. Everything should be uppercase, right? So first select the text, go to this change case option, then select this uppercase option, and everything will be in uppercase as you can see here, right? And then we have this capitalize each word. Capitalize each word is basically for headings or headlines. Let me just apply and show you that how this thing works. If I select this line and if I apply this capitalize each word, basically what it is do, it will capitalize the first letter of every word. As you can see here, in every word the first letter will be capital now, right? So that's how this first letter, basically the capitalize each word works, right? Then we have this toggle option. Toggle option is basically the word which are in capital will be changed into small and the word which are already in small will be changed into capital, right? Basically it toggles the cases, right? If I click on this, you'll be able to see that the capital was now small and the small was now capital, right? So that's how this option works. Now I have one more thing to show you. Let's say I'm writing here, right? Or let me just take one more sheet, go back, take new document. Now I'm in new document, and here if I write, so you'll be able to see that the default case is already set on the first one, which is sentence case, right? You don't have to do anything if you want to go with sentence case. Let's say I'm writing my name. Oops, my caps lock is on. Now my caps lock is turned off. Now if I write my, and if I press just space, it will automatically capitalize my the M of my word, right? Because it is already set in sentence case option, right? So I'm writing my name is David. Now I have written the name, so it should automatically change the D into capital, right? So if I write space, as you can see, the D right now is in capital, right? Now if I complete this sentence, my name is David and I live in Canada, right? So I have written Canada. Canada, the C of Canada should be also in capitalized form. So if I just hit the space button, C will be automatically in capital form, right? So that's how this the first one, basically the sentence case works, right? And I have already told you the lowercase, uppercase, capitalize and toggle case. So I hope you understood, I hope you learned from this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.